And our muffins! Hey!
Hey, Zachary, do you know how to play that game?
Yes!
All the same colors together.
I know. What flavor? Do you want vanilla, strawberry, or blueberry? Or chocolate?
I see you.
Do you want vanilla, strawberry, or blueberry, or chocolate?
Watch out, Nolan.
Who is that? Miley, who is that? Go see it. Go see it, big girl. Go on. That's it, go.
Hey, Natalie.
Idea generator.
Idea generator. Boom.
Chef Natalie.
Oh.
Thank you.
The sprinkles are still here, but you can't see them. Hey. Where do I land my ship? Where do I put these?
You can't shut it off, can you?
Whoa, what was that?
She has this. I'm like, who
We
doesn't
need
do
to start
that?
using the.
I'm like, she got,
Yeah.
We'll use some videos of
Jackie's
her walking around.
grandmother bought her a bought Miley a snowsuit.
Yeah.
And you should have saw my face. When we opened up, I was like, we're going out and playing! I'm like, I was so excited. We need to get our boots though.
Yeah.
Like, I cannot wait.
I could have gave you some when we gave them to their other cousins because they needed them.
You think you're smart enough to do that? Yeah? Oh yeah, we don't want to keep them. Thank you.
And we'll get a second. We'll have to get like a second set of gloves or whatever too.
Yeah, you always need at least 2. 3's good sometimes.